Toyota owners, you might be using your car every day, while missing some surprisingly useful features. Here are 10 hidden Toyota features worth knowing about. 10. Window roll down with the key fob. On many models, holding the unlock button lowers the windows, helping vent a hot cabin before you get in. 9. Automatic door relock. If you unlock the car but never open a door, it will usually relock itself after a short time for added security. 8. Follow me home headlights. After you park, the headlights can stay on briefly to light your path to the door. 7. Tilt and telescoping steering wheel memory. Some higher trims remember your preferred driving position and return to it automatically. 6. Eco driving feedback. The instrument cluster often includes indicators that coach you towards smoother, more efficient driving habits. 5. Rear seat reminder. Many newer Toyotas prompt you to check the back seat before exiting, helping prevent forgotten belongings, or worse. 4. Automatic high beams. The system can switch between high and low beams for better nighttime visibility without dazzling other drivers. 3. Brake hold. In stop-and-go traffic, the car can hold the brakes for you when stopped, reducing fatigue. 2. Adaptive cruise control with lane tracing. On equipped models, the car can maintain distance from the vehicle ahead, while helping keep you centered in your lane. And number 1, Customizable Vehicle Settings. Through the infotainment screen or dealer programming, many Toyotas let you adjust things like lock timing, lighting behavior, and alert volumes to suit your preferences. Not every feature is available on every Toyota, so check your owner's manual. You may discover your car can do far more than you realized.